What's up, you guys? Missed you guys. It's been a while. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of updates in this video. Just kind of jumping around. So, currently I'm at my mom's house. We're house sitting, right? And babysitting. Say what's up, Melanie.
What's up?
And we got the little kids upstairs. But yeah, so we're house sitting, right? And mom's parents, they went to California to get a truck painted. So they have this really cool 86 Hilux with a turbo on it, the turbo edition, and the paint was kind of peeling off. So they wanted to change the color on it and get it freshly painted, bring back some value to it, you know? So while they were gone, I went and did this thing, right? Bought a new car, you guys. I know a lot of you guys have been keeping up. You guys know I got that BMW 335 Xi. So that thing, I sold it. I got rid of it like about a week ago. I was pretty sad about it, but you know, I had to do it to keep growing, keep upgrading, keep doing the thing. And yeah, I was really thankful because I was able to build a lot of content off of it. I did a ton of videos with it, and there was videos that I wasn't able to do in my single turbo 335i sedan. It also gave me experience as to what the car was like, having it be all-wheel drive instead of rear-wheel drive, and driving a coupe instead of a sedan. So yeah, it was overall a really good experience. I was really happy with it. But as you guys know, 335i's have a ton of problems, and for the channel, I just figured I needed something that was maybe just a tad bit more reliable, or that just wasn't sitting in the garage all the time, because that one pretty much got to sit in the garage all the time. And I wasn't really making driving videos. I know a lot of you guys actually want to see me driving, show you guys what the roads are like out here. So went ahead and sold that thing. Again, saddened, but had to go. And I went out and bought my dream car. I'd say dream car because I'm not really into like the crazy luxury cars like a Ferrari or Lambo. I can't afford it, and even if I could, I don't know if I necessarily get something like that. I kind of like something that's a bit more tunable, and you're able to like mess around with it, take it to car meets, and not have to worry so much. If I had something like that, I would be devastated if anything happened to it. On top of that, I wouldn't really get to mod it, and anything on it would be super expensive, so my money would all be going towards that, right? So this is my dream car because I felt like it was pretty attainable with some hard work. Still really tunable, really modifiable, and it's still sexy as hell to me, right? It is kind of a rare car. It's kind of hard to find. I actually had to drive 5 hours from here to go and get it. Yeah, it was a pain in the ass. It took all day, but we got it done. I didn't bring the cameras along because I wasn't even sure if I was going to be able to get it, or if when I arrived it would still be there. It just seemed like everything was working against me. But we did it. Your boy got it. And we're here, right? So, yeah, I really want to surprise my mom because, one, when they get here with their freshly painted car, they're going to want to put it in the garage. I'm just certain of it. And when they pop up in that garage, my car's going to be there. And she's going to be like, what the hell? What's that thing? Right? Yeah, so her reaction will be genuine, 100% real. You guys might see me get cussed out for being dumb. She knows I'm a huge penny pincher, saver. You know, I like to save my money and just keep stacking it. So when she sees that thing, she's going to know it was not a waste of money, but, you know, some money went into it. So as a mother, she's probably going to freak out. And yeah, because I'm not a fully official YouTuber yet, right? Not making in that YouTube money yet, but one day. But yeah, also I'm really excited to show her because for almost everybody, because nobody knows this, I actually work with my parents, both of them. And for the past year, I've been dreaming about this car for before that, right? I already had plans of like setting something up like this. I've talked about it in other videos, so that's a hint for you guys. Yeah, so I've been bitching, crying, moaning about this car for a whole year, and she knows I really, really, really want it. I've been saving for it. I show her money in the bank and tell her that's for my car. You know, it's coming. I'm be waiting on it pretty much. And when we're slammed, super busy, I'm running around in the back sweating. She makes fun of me and she's like, hey, your car, remember your car, you know? So I think it'll be funny to actually show her the car this time. And yeah, when I was telling her about it, she said she'd be happy for me if I got it because she'd get to see me stop crying about it. So yeah, it'll be pretty funny. Like I said, I'm not sure exactly how she's gonna react, how my stepdad's gonna react. He might give me the thumbs up, or he might be like, oh, you fucked up, you know? But yeah, I know we're also gonna hype them up on their truck because their truck just got painted. So, you know, we gotta get the video out before. Hopefully they think that the camera's for their video before, and we can get a little bit more of a genuine reaction when they finally do open up that garage. But yeah, you guys, it's gonna be a new chapter, new beginning. So in this first part of the video, I'm pretty much gonna get her genuine reaction, and then I'm not sure, it's already 7 o'clock, it's still pretty sunny, right? But by the time they actually get here at 8:30, it might be kind of dark, so I might not be able to show you guys the car fully, but I'll turn off the camera, bring it back tomorrow in the pure sunlight, take it out, show you guys some real in-depth views, and maybe take you guys along for a ride. But yeah, let's see how it goes. So here's the car. Let's see if you guys can guess by the outline. This is a garage where she lets me do all her work, so if you see my videos, this is where I've been doing all of my work. Yeah, I'm excited. I don't know, I'm kind of nervous just because, you know, I've been waiting for this moment for a long time, or at least what felt like a long time for me. And yeah, it's pretty funny because I've been buying, selling cars like crazy this past year, just kind of doing my thing. And when I pulled up in this car, all my little brothers and sisters were like, yo, you're not going to sell that one, are you? You're not going to sell it, right? And yeah, everyone's like this so far that's seen it. So I'm really curious as to what they're going to think. Also, it's one thing when I show it to them on the internet, because I've been crying about it for a year, being like, yo, check out, this is the car I want, you know, on my phone. And when I actually saw it in person, it looked a lot nicer to me. Yeah, before I continue going on even more of a rant, I'm just going to wait for them, get their reaction, and then tomorrow we'll go in that real in-depth view and my first initial thoughts and everything. So, yo, Liz, what do you think my mom's going to say about the car?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
True reaction, what do you think?
Shocked.
Shocked? Punch me in the face?
No.
Melanie, what do you think she's going to say?
She's gonna be. I just would be surprised.
Surprised?
Yeah.
What do you think your dad's gonna say?
I don't know what he's gonna say.
What do you think your tita's gonna say?
I don't know.
You don't know? What about your tito?
Same.
Same? You don't know? Alright, so we're still waiting. They said the touchdown in Redmond like 20 minutes ago, but they haven't slid through. Remember in the last video where we taught this guy how to drive? Damn, look at him now, all grown. Back from college. About to take the whip out. Sheesh. They grow up so fast. Look who just pulled up. Damn. Sheesh. Damn, check it out. Used to be blue. You guys quickly showed it in one of my other videos. Damn. Hi, Ma. ¿Cansada? Put the JDM badge in the whip. Sheesh.
You got it?
Yeah. ¿Cómo te gustó el color?
Está de aquella.
¿Está bien? Ya troca nueva, ¿no? Parece.
Ahora sí ya. Brand new, brand new.
Oh, damn, ¿sí lo tapizaron? Damn, got it upholstered.
No, pero la tercera vendista.
Sheesh, ¿cuánto?
700.
No, en el looks se mira bien. El material está chido.
Sí, Hernando la
Damn.
My new truck, Violeta.
She said sorry.
You gonna ride? Yeah. I have a surprise for you. Sheesh.
Ya compré ese carro.
Yeah, you wanna see it?
A verlo.
No, la-
Oh my god. El que querías. Wow, tan rápido lo agarraste. Wow.
Oh, Violetita.
Very nice. Let's go. Baile.
Oh, chica, rayo en su cara.
No manches. Está hermosa. Sí, yo.
I know he was sad when I showed it to him.
Oh my god. ¿Y rojo?
Uh-huh.
No, la.
Ahí te voy. Ay, toda greñuda, ¿eh?
No, la. Está bien chingón.
¿Está chido? Thank you.
Damn.
Yeah.
So nice, man.
No, pues tenemos que...
Fíjense, ¿quieres probar?
No lo va.
Can I ride my scooter?
Oh, el botón está... Yeah, ajá.
Wow, Violetita.
Robin, close the door.
¿No vas a ir a manejar?
Chingotísimo. Ahorita no. No, la.
No, tienes que limpiar el garage para este carro.
I'm going through.
Oh my god, todo está bonito. Los rines, los asientos.
We've been waiting for a while. Estaba diciendo en el beginning of the video que estaba chillando todo un año.
Algo bien. ¿Es el mero chingón?
Ajá. Sí, el TTRS. Yeah.
El que quería.
Su carro este.
No, cuando me senté hasta... ¿Cómo dice? Me daba cosa sentarme.
Sí, ¿no?
Lo voy a poner en... Con aquí ahorita le hace un jalón. Se siente bien.
A su madre. De volada, ¿no?
Ajá, para despegar está bien chido. Es como un baby Lamborghini.
¿Oh, de veras?
Ajá.
No, nada, de volada se siente. No, lo bien chingón, ahora sí. No, te sacaste un 10 con este. Hoy tiene el...
Y como aquí, si quieres, písale fuerte.
¡Qué suma! No, le hagas algo bien, ¿eh? ¡Qué suma! ¡Qué suma! No, algo de aquellas. No, algo bien, ¿eh?
Sí, está chido, ¿no?
Chingón, ¿no?
El volantillo también que trae está
No,
chido.
está apenas pues es a la mera medida, ¿no? Para
Ajá, así carrito.
esta carrera, ¿ah? Ya. Bueno, lo que trae el mofle, ¿no?
Ajá. Y también si lo quieres hacer más caído, ya no hace el botón
¿Oh, sí?
y se cambia normal.
No, está bien chingón. No, no, sí, necesitamos limpiar para meterlo, acomodarlo bien. Ya, no, pues está de aquella ya.
Thank you. Sí, queríamos cerrar. Dice Junior, tienes que grabar su reacción. Alright guys, so you guys saw their initial reaction. I was hella nervous, not gonna lie, cause yeah, I wasn't sure what they were gonna say, and both of them seem to love it, so I'm super happy. And again, this is a car I've been waiting for a while. Sheesh. And yeah, so tomorrow I'll give you guys more of an in-depth view because I know it's a surprise for you guys as well. Show you guys a little bit more of the interior with my other camera where I don't have to be selfieing. And yeah, catch you guys tomorrow. I'll be back.